Hey, this is Kerbel and I'm going to teach you how to do the tornado bind. It looks like this. So first you have to throw a breakaway horizontal and land on a finger spin. To keep the yo-yo still and not moving like this, you have to keep your finger a little bit loose, like this. So if you see, if I keep my finger stiff, it will start moving around and I'll lose the finger spin. So again, breakaway horizontal, and then you're going to throw this string over your shoulder. And to learn how to bind it first, you'll have to go counterclockwise around the yo-yo and then pull. So once you master the horizontal breakaway bind, you're ready to learn how to do the tornado bind. It's gonna be exactly the same, but just one little change. Instead of pulling towards your yo-yo throw hand, you'll pull upwards like this. And you can play with the length of the tornado. There is also another way of doing this. Instead of throwing the string to your shoulder like this, you can actually throw it to your thumb. Just make sure this little string doesn't go under the yo-yo because it'll stop from spinning. So once you get to this point, it works just the same. You have to make sure you don't do it for a long time because it messes up with your string tension. So you might want to get back to your original string tension, the normal one. And there's also one more way. If you are not throwing from a breakaway like this, you can throw from a front style horizontal, and the bind would be the other way around. So you need to throw the string towards the yo-yo, and once it hits the yo-yo, it should bind. Once you master those steps, it's just the same, but you have to pull upwards. And this is how you do the tornado bind.